Come join us in Ghana to celebrate our Independence Explosion Festival, presented by Jungle House Event, Dogs-Led Music Group, and the Black Star Experience. Ghana will celebrate our 69th year of independence from March 2nd through the 8th, 2026. On March 5th, attend the Diaspora Music Television and Film Symposium, showcasing the collaboration of industry experts from the U.S. and Ghana, along with our free family fun days on the March 6th and 7th at Independence Square, featuring a car show, celebrity expo, fireworks, and live performances by Ghana's top artists, and ending with a brunch on March 8th at the La Palm Beach Resort. Don't miss out. Mark your calendars for March 2nd to the 8th, 2026, and join us in commemorating Ghana's 69th year of independence at the Independence Explosion Festival, the celebration of freedom. Go to independenceexplosion.com and book your ticket now.